I'm Ellen Pruitt. I'm HR and Marketing Director here at Hometown Health Clinic. My main goal is outreach, getting the word out to the community, and we have so much going on that it's just fun to share with the community what all we're doing. Being out in the community is a passion of mine. I love people, whether it is a festival we set a booth up at and just share hometown, give out goodies, whether it's in the school at a health fair, whether we're in the classroom teaching about healthcare opportunities, what their future looks like in the field. And then we also reach out to senior citizens and do games, activities, and just go and share what all we have to offer in the surrounding areas at hometown. Like I said, people are my passion, getting out and just talking and sharing all the good, all the services that we have to offer. It's just huge on my heart. An exciting piece to our outreach and marketing here at Hometown is we have a new family member. His name is Homer. He is our mascot. He is a puppy dog. He is Homer the Hometown Hound. And we have pediatrics here. And so with that opportunity, you can kind of let your guard down, not be scared to come to the doctor because Homer's here. He'll be there to hold your hand, have a coloring sheet with his photo on it, whether you see him roaming on the streets in a parade or if he shows up in your classroom to get his blood pressure checked. So you know healthcare is okay. We have Homer, we're excited, and one aspect of outreach is promotional items. With the grant, we have been able to purchase more items to give out, whether it's zipper bags that are reusable, whether it is notepads that we can take notes on, remember your to-do list, your items for the grocery store, just different things we're able to put Hometown's name on, get it out in the community just so people remember Hometown. As well as the promotional items, we have been able to develop a jingle. You might have heard about that already. That's something that we have been trying to get for a long time, and we were able to do that. And it's just chimey, it is just catchy. We walk around singing the jingle all the time at my house, and being able to get that so you just click with Hometown makes a difference. It gets our name out there a little more. Being in this role at Hometown Health Clinic has really opened my eyes to realize the help that's needed, especially in a rural community. I've grown up in a rural community my entire life. It's not always easy to get access to things, and we have a lot of services and opportunities to reach out, whether it's food boxes, whether it's needing an umbrella, anything that you need, we can provide here at Hometown, and if not, we will find the resources to do that. We have a lot of great people that work here at Hometown Health Clinic. We love our patients. We love our community of what we call ourselves family. And being able to reach out and just help our community is what I'm most passionate about. And I look forward to seeing how Hometown grows in our future and what impact we can make.
Hey, I'm Jared Mims with Forever Communications. We are marketing partners with the team here at Hometown Health Clinic. Our job is to help spread the word about all the great stories that happen here within the clinics for Hometown Health. With this grant award, we've been able to really focus and reach users based on specific initiatives and also conditions across West Tennessee. This is done through an omni-channel outreach approach where we reach users on many different platforms, whether it's social media, video outlets like maybe connected TVs in your household, Hulu, Disney Plus, and so much more. Also audio-based messaging. We're talking broadcast radio, also streaming audio where we serve ads on platforms like Spotify, Pandora, Podcast, and so many more. In addition to online advertising too, on websites, apps, and more. We know in the world of healthcare, messaging really, really matters. And our early meetings were great, just talking about what the goals were. For example, we learned early on that Hometown Health Clinic had a mascot that was coming, whose name is Homer, and you heard Ellen talk about Homer earlier. And we knew right away that, hey, one of our goals has got to be, let's make Homer a star, and I think we've done that. So we took Homer and said, hey, what if we used Homer in a series of commercials, video commercials that we serve online? So the first idea we had, which was actually in our first meeting with Tammy and Ellen, was, what if we did a kind of a commercial where Homer is just part of the everyday workforce? We're going to be in the break room. It's lunchtime. People are eating. Homer's there at the table. And a provider walks in, opens the fridge and says, hey, who left these dog bones in the fridge? The camera pans to Homer and you'll see Homer try to disappear. We're going to play it for you now. I have to give so much respect to our provider who stars in these commercials, Dr. Terry Collada. Here's a look at that commercial.
Seriously? 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 All right. Who keeps leaving the bones in the refrigerator? Anyone? Own up to it.
Make no bones about your health. Come see us at one of our locations for all your healthcare needs. We are Hometown Health Clinic.
So you'll see there again, Dr. Collada really played that part well. So once the grant process kind of started to roll out, we knew we needed to kind of revisit this approach again. So same scene, back in the break room, but this one is all about diabetes awareness. And I'm not going to say much more. We'll let Homer and Dr. Collada tell you the story. Here's that commercial.
Well, Homer, it looks like it's me and you today. Homer, seriously, chocolate-covered dog bones? How does that fit on your diabetic diet? Seriously, Homer.
Hometown Health Clinic can help with simple testing, personalized care, and treatment options for diabetes. Hometown Health Clinic, our family taking care of your family. This project is funded under a grant contract with the state of Tennessee.
You know, something else beyond video we really focused on, this kind of was from Tammy's leadership here at Hometown Health Clinic, is she said early on, let's create a jingle that we use on all of our audio platforms. And we couldn't be more pleased with the outcome. Here is that audio.
Hometown Health Clinic, our family taking care of yours. For over 40 years, we've been your neighbor. Care is at the heart of what we do. Come on in, the door is always open. Our only goal is taking care of you. Hometown Health Clinic, our family taking care of yours.
In addition to social media outreach, we knew another goal was to really enhance the Hometown Health Clinic website. We wanted to make sure that this was all about accessibility for patients and potential patients as well. You'll see to the newly built website, first of all, a great deal of information for many, many conditions that are treated here by the teams at Hometown Health Clinic. This offers a good deal of info for patients as they're doing their research to see where they're going to go to be seen. Also, for patients, whether existing patients or new patients, we wanted to really streamline the process to get them to make appointments online. First of all, a widget for new patients where they can see all the available times by provider and location listed here on the screen. Secondly, we created a new widget that goes a bit deeper on this one. You can see things based on condition, locations, and so much more. For example, if you see here, if I were to check and say diabetes awareness is important to me, if I click this option, it's going to provide the providers who will serve for that particular need. If I click the provider, we dig a bit deeper, you'll see provider information, clinic hours, a map, and so much more. This makes the process so much smoother and easier for patients to reach our providers to get the care that they need. Again, with Hometown Health Clinic, we are so thankful for the funds awarded through this grant process. To be able to improve outreach to our populations across West Tennessee has just been tremendous. And with Hometown Health Clinic, we look forward to continuing this in the coming months.